So how to transfer money from Barclays to Monzo. So to transfer money between Barclays and Monzo, the easiest way to do this is you're going to need to ensure that you are logged in on the Monzo app and you are also logged in on the Barclays app. So once you're logged in on both apps, if you come to this page here on Monzo, you just want to select on the add money option right here. Then once you've done that, it'll bring you to this page here. And where it says easy bank transfer on the top, you just want to select see all banks. Then once you've selected on see all banks, you just want to go ahead and select Barclays. Then once you've selected on Barclays, you can then go ahead and input how much money you want to transfer between Barclays and Monzo. So for the example of this video, we're just going to do a tenner. Then once you've inputted the amount, click agree and continue. And then it will bring you through to this page here. And you just want to select just transfer. Then from here, this is where the Barclays app comes into play. So if you're logged in, it will then pull you through to your Barclays app. And it will pull you through to this page here, where it will just ask you to confirm the payment. So if you're happy with that, go ahead and click continue. And then it will pull you back to the Monzo app. And you'll get this message here to confirm that £10 was transferred between Barclays and Monzo. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.